This is my AC residential service. Get up. You can tell I use dye. You see it's all over there. So, of course, nylog in the AC bag. We got the Appian setups. We got some valve cores. We have a startup wrench, lug, opening up king valves. We got our little handy dandy 15-year-old meter. We got jumper wires. We got electrical tester. We got vacuum. We have clamps. And somewhere deep down inside here we got to opening up the valves. Still normally right on top. And this is my light carry, go to house, tune-up call, check-up call, AC not cooling, AC not working. This is my go-to. It's light, it's efficient. You can't ask for nothing better. Close the seals up. This is my bag that I go reaching to. If I have issues, I just made it up. Used to be in the Husky bag there. So we grabbed the upgraded commercial electric. It does not have the true RMS. I know this, don't give me shit about it. I like it. I don't like my Klein meter. I don't like my Fluke meter. They're big, they're bulky. These two are light and easy. Got my tape, I got my brushes. We open up, I got my refrigerant sniffer right here. We got an issue, we gotta go looking. Boom, we pull it out. We go find us a leak. We got issues with the drain. We got our little portable blower. CO2 cartridges, and kaboof. Drain is clear. We got low voltage issues. We pulled a little popper out, some fuses, and we get at it. We forget the scale. I got a backup fish tank scale so I can knock in them weights and not have to worry about going back to get a scale or so on and so forth. I've only used it a couple times. My dinner's ready, so this video has to get going here. We got our adjustables, vice grips, got our old wire strippers from Harbor Freight, we got our adjustable magnetic. They all got magnets on the tips of them. Got our inspection mirror, pair of scissors, crimpers, cutters, needle nose cutters. In case we gotta go get a big tank, blow some stuff off. We got a level. We got some insulated drivers. We got the ratchet and cutter. We got PVC issues. We got thermostat screwdrivers. We got regular screwdrivers. And this is service bag number 2 for AC, rooftop units, so on and so forth. Up top we got our hose in case we gotta wash some stuff off. We got our wet bulb, dry bulbs, humidity meter, E-ray humidity meter, and we got the little ripper up here. That's all she wrote. A couple extra slots opened up. You know it'll fill up with some tools, but I took away all the strippers and stuff that I'm not using. The lights now outside of the bag. And we will shortly be adding wrench for gas pipe, another channel lock more than likely for this bag, and this bag's complete.